We made it. Let's get some baits. What a great shot. Unreal. This is one crazy spot we've come to this time. Couldn't get the exact spot we're after, but we're right next to it. This is going to be absolutely nuts. Drop one in a brand new spot. This is going to be epic. Let's hope we can get it out there. Let's go. Perfect. Well, this is insanity. We've got one out. What a great little cove we found. Now we're just waiting for the nip. We've got to be ready. Tuning in. This is a wild one. Is that a nib then? Give it a little stir. Give that 5 or 10. And we'll try another one. Just one of a few, hopefully today. We don't get snagged on the way back in. All right, let's get this one in. This is going to be interesting. Coming in all right. They got stolen. Need the wrap. The wrap is here. It was in the sand. Woo! Certainly not looking like castable conditions. It's quite rough out there. Really is a big bait send or bait only proposition at the moment by the looks of things. Unless you've got a massive, massive launcher. Which you probably do well in, to be honest. It is busting up over there. Alright, one for drop 2. Let's do it. Beautiful. Can we get a nib in the second spot? Go for drop 3 and even further. Oh, that looked like a nib that time. Yes, we're getting nibs. Come on. Oh, first nibs of the day. Yes. Yep, take it, come on. At least we know that's a good spot, maybe. This is looking positive then. Oh! Oh! What happened there? Is he on? Yes, he is. We've got something on here. Oh yeah, this feels awesome. Just don't want him to snag me up. Yep, he's good. Let's get him in. Has he come off? He might have come off. Got me into a snag. Either that or it's just very small. He just came off. Anything fail? No, nothing failed. Interesting. Got a hook up that time. That was good. Let's get out there again, eh? In a reasonable spot. I actually want to send to one slightly further. See how that goes. Alright, drop 3's in the water. The sun's coming up a bit more now over us because we're in a bit of a June. We still haven't had the sun come to where we are. Probably still looks quite dark on camera. Took about 10 minutes to get a bite in that other spot. This one's even further away. We're very, very lucky. This will probably be our only window this year down here, I reckon. So there's something near it already. We're in a ridiculous spot now. He's going nuts on my watch. Look at that. Get your rod in the water, it says. There we have. Oh. We did it. Wow. Not often you get a view like this. Wow. Can we now get the hook up? Something out of crack at that one. This will be drop 4 back to the spot that we got the bite from. Well, it was a hook up actually, but it spat the hooks. Rig didn't fail, thankfully. Something out of crack at that one too. Alright, we're going back. This is drop 4. Let's do it. controller low. Alright, this will be our last drop then. No doubt about that. I ain't risking that. You. Perfect. 4 drops out here. It's not bad. And all those other ones. That was a nip. Oh! Oh. That's the spot. Oh my gosh, did he just steal that bait? Right, straight away. It's a sensational spot we found. Oh, did he just steal the bait? I thought he was hooked up, man. Very close. That is definitely the spot. Charging the controller, we might be able to go again. Happy days. Yes, we're on straight away. Oh, peeling line. Oh, peeling line, all right. Oh, this is a ripping size. Yes. Just gonna hand one for now. Oh, this is awesome. Oh! Big bites. This feels large. So glad we went back to that same spot. You beauty. It's big. Oh. Basic pinky. Yeah. Oh, yes. Can we get him up? Oh, he's a belter. Oh, we're on to an absolute belter here. Look at that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, that is an absolute horse. Oh. Woo! That is a beauty. Super stoked. That was a lot of effort. Woo. Stoked. New spot, baby. Unbelievable. Now that is what I call another beauty. Really enjoying this stuff. Appreciate everyone that's in the channel, so thanks so much. Any hints or tips, hit us up on the email, hit the sub button, like, comment. give it all a go. Keen to hear everyone else is going out there. Thanks for tuning in. This is another mega spot locked in. So many. You!